So the company Telesin's kindly sent me these 3 items to review and test. So first of all, Telesin sent me out the Versatile Wrap, which is really elasticated there, which I'll be testing out shortly and showing you. Second of all, the U-shaped neck holder mount 2.0. This has got a quick release button here, so you can just put it straight around your neck, which I'll be showing you also. And finally, the Universal Tube Clamp by Telesin. So I'm going to be attaching these two to my mountain bike, which is just set up over there. And then I'll be attaching this around my neck. And once this is around your neck and fastened around your body, it's a lot more stable than the chest mount. And I'll be using the Action 4 just to show you how easy it is to switch between each mount. So first of all, we'll be attaching these 2 mounts to the mountain bike frame just to show you how easy it is. Here we go. So first of all, we're going to be fixing the Telesin Versatile Wrap to the handlebar frame. And you can just see how stretchy that is. So no matter how thick your frame is, it's definitely going to fit around there. And it's quite easy to attach here, as you can see. You just put it over here, stretch it round, and then basically that's in place. And because it's made out of rubber, it's not going to slip or slide anywhere. That's really sturdy on there, as you can see. And then to attach the Action 4, you just unscrew this here. That slots straight in, and just screw the screw mat into place. It's as simple as that. And I'll just clip over to the Action 4 and show you how sturdy this is. Here we go. And now we're switching over to the Universal Tube Clamp, just to show you how easy that is to attach to the frame. And as you can see, you'll be able to alter this to the correct thickness of your frame. So to attach the Universal Tube Clamp to your frame, you just attach the rubber there, which it comes with. Then you just open it up to the width of the frame and start to twist this to clamp it nice and secure. As you can see, that's on nice and tight and is going absolutely nowhere. So I'm going to attach the Action 4 there, just to show you how easy it is. So Telesin's designed some quick release mounts here, so you can easily attach them to each one, just to save you time in unscrewing one and then putting the Action 4 onto here. So all you have to do with the quick release mounts is squeeze the 2 tabs here, twist it round, and they pop off. Same up here. So all the quick release mounts by Telesin are interchangeable. As you can see, you'll just pop this on here, twist, and that's nice and secure. So as you can see with the quick release mounts, just press the 2 toggles, twist round, and then you'll be able to twist it back onto the Versatile Wrap also. So now we've used the quick release from the Versatile Wrap and attached it to the tube clamp. Let's test the footage out on this one. Here we go. And now we'll be reviewing the U-shaped neck holder mount 2 by Telesin. So this is a really decent design and sturdy, as you can see. It doesn't feel cheap, it feels really sturdy and quality. You can mould that however you want, depending on your neck size. And again, it's got a quick release mount. Just press and hold this button at the side. This pops out, snaps into position around your neck. This will loop round your body, threads through into place. And again, as you can see, it's like a chest harness, but in my opinion, it's a lot more sturdy. As when you've got your chest harness down here, the only thing you can do is move it up and down, but with this, you'll be able to mould it into position wherever you want to get that perfect view that you need. And again, as you can see, it's got the quick release mount. Snap those 2, twist that. I've got the Action 4 with the other Telesin quick release. Twist, snaps into position, adjust that how you want, and there you go. And then you can adjust this however you want, which is really handy. And then simply push the 2 toggles to release. Again, you'll be able to switch that to each mount. So these quick release mounts are an absolute must for time saving. So now I've got the U-shaped neck holder mount 2.0 attached. Let's switch over to the mountain bike and see the footage from it. Here we go. I can imagine the footage is really stable and it's really comfortable to wear around your neck. I would say the Universal Tube mount's the most stable. The Versatile Wrap's the most easiest to attach. And the Universal neck mount, which is around my neck at the moment, really is comfortable and stable. So to recap, the Universal Tube Clamp, the Versatile Wrap, and the neck mount 2.0. Highly recommend all 3. If you're wanting to buy any of these, I'll be putting a link in the description which will direct you straight to the Telesin website, and there you'll be able to purchase them. So I hope you found this video useful, reviewing all 3 Telesin products. If you're wanting to buy any of these, I'll put a link in the description for each one, which will direct you straight to the Telesin website, and there you'll be able to find them, along with many other products and accessories that Telesin offer. So as always, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and bye for now.